the Earth was dominated by animals like these long-necked dinosaurs, the biggest land animals that ever lived. By the end of the Cretaceous period,
how did humans conquer it? And bringing down this much meat at once would invite some unwanted visitors.
Left more than bones and teeth for us to analyze.
Legend power over the biggest of today's grizzlies. What really has to face with these? The saber-toothed cat.
They were about 25 feet long, and when fully upright, were anything up to 10 feet tall. Speculation has become certainty. The North German raptors really were feathered. And that's not all the scientists have found out.
And thriving in the darkness are the dinosaurs.